Warning. This video is for educational purposes only. Always call a licensed contractor to perform any work.
So today we have AC unit that's cycling on and off non-stop. We just turned it on and it stops, and then it turns back on, and you can actually hear contactors really inside the unit clicking on and off. Why this is happening with this unit? It's low on refrigerant. As soon as it starts running, pressure goes on the low side, pressure gets lower, and low pressure sensor shuts it off approximately around 60 psi, 50 psi. And usually when it's doing so, you can hear contactor inside clicking. It goes click, 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 because low voltage circuit gets interrupted or opened by the low pressure switch. Let's go find a leak. This is another part of the system in attic, which is furnace and evaporative coil. This is older furnace and older evaporative coil. Outdoor unit condenser been replaced 4 years ago, and it has no oil spots, no oil marks. So I'm assuming leak is inside evaporative coil. Let's see if we can find it. Again, it's very small and tiny leak because this system still is pressurized. It still has refrigerant, so it doesn't have a huge leak. It has a slow leak. Let's see if we can find it. So we opened up evaporative coil, opened up a lid. What do we see inside? We see old evaporative coil that is pretty rusted, and if you look in the bottom, you can actually see oil floating inside the drain pan. This is clear indication of refrigerant leak, because when your refrigerant leaks, there's also oil circulating inside the system with refrigerant, so usually you have an oil spot. Just to double check, I have my meter set to low sensitivity, so it's going off right there. We know for sure leak is inside the coil. I believe I can also hear it.